Hi, thanks for clicking the video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. In today's video, I will be unboxing and reviewing the newly released AGM H6 rugged phone. AGM H6 is a budget rugged phone by a company called AGM Mobile. The company makes a lot of cool rugged phones, some of which I have covered on this channel. Phones like AGM G2 Guardian, which has big speaker on the back and so on. But today, I will be reviewing AGM H6. AGM H6 is slim rugged phone, which means it's good daily driver, and it's also a budget rugged phone which costs just around $150. But before I talk in details about this phone, let me first unbox it for you guys to see what's inside. So, the unit of AGM H6 I have here comes with 8GB of RAM and another 8GB of virtual RAM. It has 256GB of internal storage, 2 SIM card slots and 1 dedicated slot for SD card. In terms of display, it has a 6.56-inch high-definition display with a display resolution of 720 by 1612 and a 90 Hz refresh rate. It comes with Android 13 out of the box and a Uni SoC T606 chipset, which is a very battery-efficient chip. As for the camera, it has a 50 megapixels wide-angle lens as the main shooter and a 2 megapixels macro camera. On the front, it has an 8 megapixel wide-angle camera. I was able to get some decent pictures with the main camera in very bright environment. Here are some of the pictures I took with the phone. As for the battery, it has a 4900 mAh power battery and a 10-watt charger in the box, and the whole phone weighs around 240 grams. However, I think the main selling point of this phone is how slim it is, compared to some other rugged phone in the market. Despite the slim body, it still managed to have all the good rugged phone features such as the military standard 810H certification, IP68 for water and dust resistant, IP69K for heat resistant, and all that good stuff. I tried to do a bend test of the phone. It didn't even crack, it's solidly built as you would expect from a rugged phone. In conclusion, I have been able to daily drive this rugged phone for about a week, and I think it's a really decent phone for anyone who is interested in getting a budget rugged phone but not willing to spend a lot of money. It ticks a lot of boxes such as tough design, fast display with 90 Hz refresh rate, slim and stylish look, a rubberized frame and plastic for a decent grip, and the few buttons placed around the edge which are easy enough to find and use. There is also a programmable button on the left too. It has a decent camera for the price and a battery-efficient chip that can handle normal usage such as browsing the internet and social media, or some light gaming. It's definitely a good choice if you are looking for a budget rugged phone. If you are interested in getting this phone, the links to get it will be in the description below. What do you think about this phone? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Also watch our other videos, because we cover a lot of cool gadgets and rugged phones on this channel.